Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by enabling developer mode and file access on the Steam Deck so the system exposes storage. Plug a quality USB-C cable into the deck and the PC, or join both to the same Wi-Fi network for network transfer. On the PC, make sure MTP support is active, or prepare an SMB share or SSH server on the deck. Once these steps are in place, you will see the deck as a device or reachable host. Proceed to browse files immediately. Once the deck appears on your PC, open File Explorer or your preferred file manager and navigate to internal storage or the mounted micro SD. If using SMB, map the share and enter the deck username and password. If using SSH, connect with an SFTP client and authenticate. Transfer critical files first, save data and config folders, then move large game files in batches to avoid timeouts. Make sure to verify checksums or file sizes after each batch, so you know the transfer completed correctly. After copying, verify file sizes and open a few key files to confirm integrity, then safely eject or unmount the deck before unplugging. This prevents corruption. If transferred files aren't recognized, adjust ownership and permissions on the deck with chown and chmod, or move files into the correct Steam library folders. If something goes wrong, retry with smaller batches, replace the USB cable, or switch from MTP to SFTP. One reliable troubleshooting tip. Test a 1 MB file first to confirm connectivity before large transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.